How to add a variable product on BuyBayan. Go to the seller dashboard on BuyBayan and click on the Products option. Next, click the Add New Product button. On the product creation page, fill in the basic information as you would when adding a simple product. For a variable product, before changing to variable, enter the price in the product price field and then choose variable from the product type options. Scroll down to the Attributes and Variations section. Here, you can select default attributes like color or size, or you can add custom attributes. To add custom attributes, click Add Attributes and define the values for your variations. Once you've entered the values, click the Save Attribute button. After saving the attributes, you'll see the Add Variations option. Click on Go, and variation fields will appear. Add specific details for each variation, such as colors like black, blue, or brown. You can also upload images for each variation, set the regular and sale prices, adjust stock quantities, and define other details like weight, dimensions, and a variation-specific description of each variable product. Once everything is set, click Save Variation to save your changes. Finally, click Save Product, and your variable product will be successfully added to BuyBayan.